Have you heard of Stargate? Stargate is like a superhighway for money in the world of decentralized finance. It helps people and apps easily move their money between blockchains and use a common pool of money with quick and guaranteed results. But what is unique about Stargate? Let's dive into the video to understand it in detail. Stargate is made by a community of people, and they're making the first bridge that lets different blockchains talk to each other and the first app on layer 0. Their big goal is to make moving money between blockchains as easy as doing one simple action. What problems does it solve? Before Stargate, moving money between blockchains was complicated and slow. Stargate fixes this with its Delta algorithm, allowing easy and secure cross-chain transfers. It offers instant guarantee finality, unified liquidity, and native assets. What makes it unique? And its quick, guaranteed transfers make Stargate unique. You can swap assets between blockchains effortlessly and earn rewards for providing liquidity. Liquidity providers can farm tokens, and STG holders can stake for VSTG, giving them a say in Stargate's governance. Stargate makes your money work harder and simplifies cross-chain transactions, making it unique among cross-chain bridges. How does Stargate Finance work? Stargate Finance operates by simplifying and streamlining the process of swapping native assets across different blockchains in a single transaction. Imagine you have USDC on Ethereum but want to change it to USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. With Stargate, you can do this in just one step. Stargate is designed to be used by various applications to enable native cross-chain transactions. For instance, your preferred decentralized exchange, DEX, can integrate Stargate, allowing users to perform cross-chain swaps effortlessly. This means you can swap EVAX for ETH across different blockchains within the DEX interface all in one go. Similarly, your favorite yield aggregator can leverage Stargate to move assets seamlessly across blockchains, unlocking new opportunities for earning yields. All these cross-chain swaps and transactions are made possible through the Stargate unified liquidity pools, collectively owned and maintained by the Stargate community. This makes accessing and utilizing liquidity across various blockchains easier for users and applications. The basic process of using Stargate Finance to transfer assets across blockchains. You can use Stargate to move your money between different blockchains. Firstly, visit Stargate Finance and then connect your wallet to Stargate. Now click on Transfer in the menu. Next, choose the type of money, token, where it's coming from network, where it's going to network, and how much you want to move, total amount. If your wallet is not on the right blockchain, you can change it by clicking Switch Network. And finally, hit Approve. You can even use this to move STG tokens between blockchains, and there's no extra cost from Stargate. You just have to pay the regular transaction fees like gas fees if there are any. How do users deposit and withdraw funds? How do they swap tokens? What are the fees involved? When using Stargate to move funds between blockchains, users can decide to add a specific amount of native gas from the source network to be sent to the destination network during the transfer. There are 4 choices: no gas, default for standard transactions, a maximum set by the protocol, or a custom amount chosen by the user. When you initiate and approve the transfer, the gas for the destination network is part of the total transaction cost. Additionally, non-STG token transfers have a 0.06% fee, and Stargate transfers may incur a pool rebalance fee if pools are imbalanced, but STG token transfers avoid this fee. Benefits of using Stargate Finance highlight the key benefits of using Stargate Finance, such as instant finality, unified liquidity, and native asset support. And as we said earlier, Stargate is special because it's the first bridge to solve 3 big problems. It provides instant guarantee finality, ensuring that it surely gets there when you send money from one blockchain to another. Secondly, it has native assets, meaning you can use your money as it is. There is no need to change it into something else first. And finally, it keeps unified liquidity, which means it creates a big pool of money that everyone can use on different blockchains. This makes it easier for people and apps to find the money they need. Explain how Stargate Finance addresses the challenges of cross-chain liquidity and makes it easier for users to interact with different blockchains. Stargate Finance tackles the challenges of working with different blockchains straightforwardly. First, it allows users to easily swap assets from one blockchain to another with just one click. Imagine someone wants to change their DAI on Ethereum to Aave on Polygon, but the DDX they're using isn't built on Stargate. Without Stargate, it's quite complicated. They must go through multiple steps involving different chains, fees, and hassles. But with Stargate, apps like SushiXSwap simplify this process. Users can make this swap in a single transaction without leaving the app's interface, paying fees only once, and even preparing for future fees on the destination chain all in one go. Stargate is built on Layer 0's messaging protocol, which makes it easy for different apps on various chains to work together. It hides the complicated parts of cross-chain transactions from users, making things safer and more comfortable for them. Additionally, Stargate provides on-demand cross-chain liquidity. This simplifies things for both developers and users. Developers can access lots of money without having to do extra work to keep it flowing, speeding up their work. Users also benefit by having access to their native assets with ease. Furthermore, Stargate automates the management of assets across different chains for apps and provides immediate access to available funds. This means apps don't have to spend money or effort to keep people interested in providing liquidity across various chains. How to earn a yield on Stargate Finance. Explain the different ways that users can earn yield on Stargate Finance, such as liquidity provision, farming, and staking. What are the APYs involved? What are the risks involved? On Stargate Finance, there are several ways for users to earn money, also known as yield. Firstly, it has a pool. Users can earn rewards by providing liquidity to Stargate pools. These pools involve combinations of tokens and blockchains like USDC on Ethereum. When you add your money to these pools, you get LP, liquidity provider, tokens, representing a share of the pooled assets. You can take your money back whenever you want. When people use these pools for transfers, a small fee, around 0.02% to 0.1%, is collected. The second is farming. Stargate liquidity providers can earn STG tokens by putting their LP tokens into a Stargate farm. You connect your wallet to Stargate, pick a farm, and allocate your LP tokens there. In exchange, you get STG tokens as rewards. These STG rewards can be staked to earn Vestige, Stargate's governance token. Being a Vestige holder means you have a say in how Stargate works. Third is staking. If you have STG tokens, you can lock them up to get Vestige, which allows you to participate in Stargate's DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization governance. This means you can have a voice in decisions about Stargate. To stake your STG tokens, you connect your wallet to Stargate, choose a staking pool, specify how much you want to stake, and select a lock period, which can be as short as 1 month or as long as 3 years. While these methods offer opportunities to earn money, there are risks involved. For instance, the value of the tokens you provide as liquidity can increase or decrease, affecting your earnings. Additionally, there may be smart contract risks, and your rewards could vary. It's essential to research and understand these risks before participating in any yield-earning methods on Stargate Finance. So, overall, Stargate Finance simplifies cross-chain transactions, making it easy to swap assets between blockchains. It offers yield opportunities through liquidity provision, farming, and staking. Users can also earn rewards in STG tokens and participate in governance. Stargate Finance is a valuable tool that enhances accessibility and efficiency for crypto users across the decentralized finance landscape. What do you think of Stargate Finance? Comment below and subscribe for more.